Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I unbox and review the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, I have a very nice device to show you, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, one of the most popular mid-range phones of 2023. Let's get started. As you can see, the box is pretty standard, nothing fancy here. Inside the box, we have the phone itself, wrapped in plastic, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. No charger included, unfortunately, but that's becoming the norm these days. The phone comes in 4 colors: lime, graphite, violet, and white. I have the white one here, and it looks very sleek and premium. The first thing you notice about the phone is the design. It has a glass front and back with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and a plastic frame. It feels very solid and comfortable in the hand, and it has an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. The back has a simple but elegant camera module with 3 lenses and an LED flash. The front has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The display is one of the highlights of this phone. It has a full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and 1000 nits of peak brightness. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the motion is smooth and fluid. The display also has an in-display fingerprint sensor that works fast and reliably. The Galaxy A54 5G is powered by the Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset, which is a 5nm octa-core processor with 4 Cortex-A78 cores and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. It also has a Mali G68 MP5 GPU for graphics. This is a very capable chipset that can handle most tasks and games without any lag or stutter. The phone also has 6GB or 8GB of RAM, depending on the variant, and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage that can be expanded with a microSD card. The battery life is another strong point of this phone. It has a 5000 mAh battery that can easily last for a full day or more with moderate to heavy use. It also supports 25 watts wired charging that can top up the battery in about an hour and a half. There is no wireless charging or reverse wireless charging on this phone, but that's not a deal breaker for me. The camera performance is decent, but not outstanding. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, a 50MP main camera with f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide camera with f/2.2 aperture and 123-degree field of view, and a 5MP macro camera with f/2.4 aperture. The main camera can take good photos in daylight, with plenty of detail and accurate colors. The ultra-wide camera can capture more of the scene, but it suffers from some distortion and noise at the edges. The macro camera can get close to small objects, but it's not very sharp or detailed. The phone can also record 4K videos at 30 fps with the main camera, or 1080p videos at 30 or 60 fps with either camera. The video quality is decent, but not very stable or smooth. The phone also lacks features like night mode, portrait mode, or Pro mode for more control over the settings. The selfie camera is a 32MP sensor with f/2.2 aperture that can take decent selfies in good lighting conditions. It can also record 4K videos at 30 fps or 1080p videos at 30 or 60 fps. The Galaxy A54 5G runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1 on top. One UI is one of my favorite Android skins, as it offers a lot of customization options, features, and gestures. It also has a dark mode, an edge panel, a game launcher, a secure folder, and more. The phone also comes with Samsung Knox security and 5 years of security updates. So that's my unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. I think this is a great mid-range phone that offers a lot of value for money. It has a beautiful design, a stunning display, a powerful performance, a long-lasting battery life, and a decent camera setup. It also has some drawbacks like no charger in the box, no wireless charging, no headphone jack, and no telephoto lens. But overall, I think this is one of the best phones you can buy for $450 in 2023. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and review videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.